Why am I not receiving emails on Android? Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable internet connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, what you can do is launch the settings application and then scroll down. Now tap on apps over here. As you tap on apps, select on the manage apps option. Now on the search bar, just search for your Gmail option and here it pops up, so just tap on it, and as you tap on it, tap on the data uses option over here. So as you tap on it, make sure that you have toggle on these options of mobile data and Wi-Fi to manage the network connection. So in this way you can use your email or you can receive the email even in your mobile data. Next, what you can do is you can just make sure you have enough data. So tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. And then you can lastly check on the Play Store just to make sure you have an updated version of Gmail application. So let's search for Gmail. And here we have an update available. So we can just tap on update and then relaunch the Gmail application. And this might help us fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.